Assalamualaikum students. Welcome again to my YouTube channel Biology with Peerbush. Today we discuss about the evolution chapter MCQs. First MCQs is which one of the terms below correctly describes the relationship between the skeletal system, the wing of bird, forelimb of turtle, foreleg of horse, and arm of man. Our correct option is homologous. And number second, which of the following ideas was not part of Charles Darwin? Our correct option is adapted variations is inherited. And number third MCQs, evolution is the transformation of the mode in the struggle for existence and the fittest would survive. And number fourth MCQs, all of the following statements about evolution are true except evolution has ceased. And number fifth MCQs, evolution is the transformation of the mode of an organism in such manner that the descendants differ from their ancestors according to Darwin. And number six, dash is an organ that serves no useful function in an organism. Our correct option is vestigial organ. And number seven, dash was considered as the missing link between reptiles and birds. Our correct option is Archaeopteryx. And number 8 MCQs, who believed that living organisms gradually evolved into new organisms as nature tended to change from simple imperfect form to complex and perfect form. Our correct option is Darwin. And number 9 MCQs, which of the following structure of fish is homologous with the lung of frog? Our correct option is swim blender. And number 10th MCQs, which condition can be explained by Lamarckism? Um, how humans lost their tail, how giraffes got their long neck, how humans became bipedal, all of the above is our correct answer. And number 11, genetic equilibrium is a stability of allele and gene frequency in a population. And number 12, the one who believed in a theory of special creation is C. Linnaeus. And number 13, presence of remnants of pelvic girdle in a whale and a snake, although they never have legs, shows evidence from vestigial organs. And number 14, according to Lamarck, evolution occurred as a result of blending inheritance is our correct answer. And number 15, nictitating membrane is found in dash and performs dash functions present in eyes and perform cleaning functions is our correct answer. And 16 dash is a vestigial organ. Vermiform appendix is a vestigial organ. And 17, in which rocks most fossils are found? Sedimentary rocks, most fossils are found. Number 18, the present giraffe has a long neck as compared to ancestors. Darwin believed you could be due to natural selection. 19, new Darwinism is the result of a reconciliation of Darwin's theory with Mendel's work is our correct answer. 20, in a forest there are a lot of plants, trees, shrubs and herbs. Mm, What will be the palm trees face if they grow in the same forest? Environmental computation, interspecific computation, intraspecific combination, all of the above. All of the above is our correct answer. The following observation refers to evolution. Inheritance, inherited variations which are favored in a particular environment or passed on. And number two, there is a struggle for existence. Number three, in time favored inherited variations may accumulate, causing gradual change in the organism. And number fourth, although populations tend to overproduce, they remain more or less constant in numbers from generation to generation. In what sequence should the statements be placed support Darwin's theory of evolution? Fourth, second, first, and third is our correct answer. Seconds. And number 22, there there existed two varieties of female freshwater mollusks in which some were streamlined and some had high bulk. Over the generations, male freshwater mollusks learned that high bulk favors more production of offspring, so preferring to match with females having high bulk as compared to streamlined. Will this affect Hardy-Weinberg equilibrium in the population? Yes, it will not. The affect Hardy-Weinberg equilibrium is our correct answer. No, number 23. According to Lamarck, evolution is a cumulative product of somatic changes. It means body changes. Number 24. Which of the following concept is attributed to Charles Darwin? Our correct option is in the struggle for existence, the fittest would survive. And number 25, in the Hardy-Weinberg principle, P plus 2P Q plus Q is equal to 1. Q means what represents the frequency of the heterozygous dominant. And number 26, the force that initiates evolution is variation is our correct answer. 27, mm, all of the following are factors in the development of new species except asexual reproduction. Which of the following concept is attributed to Charles Darwin? Our correct answer is in the struggle for existence, the fittest would survive. Number 29. What is the Q in Hardy-Weinberg equilibrium? Frequency of the recessive allele. And number 30. An interbreeding population of finches become separated geographically, forming two isolated groups. Each group then become subject to different selective pressures. One group was then introduced into the habitat of the other. Which one of the following would determine whether they now form two distinct species? Our correct option is they failed to produce fertile hybrids. Number 31. Example of homologous organ is the arm of a man and the wing of a bird.